Children usually don't get very sick from COVID, but the virus is hurting them in another way. Some foster parents have been forced to take a break during the pandemic, while foster care agencies say the need for resources, especially for older children, is still there. Madeline O'Neill explains the difference fostering can make for both children and parents. Maddie?
One of the foster care agencies I spoke with told me that kids are still coming in. They're still being abused and neglected, and that's not slowing down even when the challenges of the pandemic pick up. A Prairie du Sac family who did some fostering of their own tell me that even the hardships were well worth it.
It brought a lot of beauty.
In August 2019, Bethany and Nate Kaiser opened their hearts and home to two foster siblings, joining their 3 biological children.
We know that no matter what was going on in the world, it's a transition.
Then the world closed down.
It was really tough, especially the first couple months.
Appointments canceled, case manager visits reduced to phone calls, and treatment and school turned virtual.
There was no community anymore for us.
The Kaisers foster through Community Care Resources, a Middleton-based private foster agency with a focus on children with trauma. The treatment level agency says the pandemic can stifle children's healing, interrupting in-person visits with biological families and therapy.
Having to do that virtually, if it happens at all.
A message echoed by Dane County Human Services.
That's really, really difficult, especially for young children.
Dane County out-of-home care supervisor Sarah Lawton agrees the pandemic is stacking on challenges to situations that are already stressful.
It's been scary, right?
Lawton says it can make current and prospective foster parents wary.
We have approximately 165 foster homes licensed in our county, probably one of the lowest numbers in the last several years.
But her unit takes safety precautions, and it's as important as ever for people to open their doors to kids in need.
Knowing that it's needed, knowing that we can help other people out, it's a good feeling.
The Kaisers know it opened up their world.
Our world got bigger and better because of it, too.
Last spring, when school went completely virtual, reports of child abuse and neglect went down for a bit, and those I spoke with say that there's a good chance that they will go up when all school returns in person, when there's more eyes to spot kids who aren't in a good spot. We have information on our website with how you can help foster.